Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock CFD trading on Etoro. Now the first step is just make sure to go to Google or the Play Store or App Store and just download the application Etoro. And this is the application. Make sure to download the correct application, log in with your account. And once you log in with your account, it will take a few seconds to load. And once it is logged in, you will be seeing this kind of home section. And from here, if you really want to unlock CFD trading on eToro, it is very important to complete the verification, the profile verification. As you can see that my profile is completed only 30%. So make sure to click on the complete profile option, and once you click here, they will ask you to enter all the details, including your national card, like the social security number, the address, the nationality, and the proof of everything. And they will verify like within 24 to 48 hours. And once your profile is complete on the 100%, after that, on the home section, they will ask you a few questions about the CFD trading, like the leverage, the margin, the CFD risk. Are you aware of everything? So make sure to give that test, answer the questions, and once you have answered the questions, they will automatically unlock your CFD trading on the eToro app. Now the process is pretty simple. Let's say that you're still not able to unlock CFD trading after all these steps. You can just scroll down and go to help and resources and just try to contact them on their email address. And within, you can just tell them that you have verified or and completed all the steps to unlock CFD trading. So just do it, and one of their team members will contact you within 24 to 48 hours and unlock CFD on your account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.